The Bond theme has been in our lives for as long as we can remember. You know, you're in the womb, what do you hear? A heartbeat and the Bond theme.
When Bond does something typically Bond-esque, then there's really only one piece of music you can play.
James Bond, the character, doesn't spend a lot of time talking about what he's doing or how he's feeling. So the music has always had to kind of give you a sense of what's going on within Bond. The adrenaline, the tension, the joy, the anxiety. You hear the Bond theme and it gives you that shot in the arm.